Crash Course, Argentina, History and Architecture. Introduction. Argentina is a country rich in history and boasts a diverse architectural heritage that reflects its past. From ancient indigenous civilizations to colonial influences and modern designs, Argentina's history and architecture offer a fascinating glimpse into its cultural evolution. In this crash course, we will explore the captivating stories and examples that highlight Argentina's historical significance and architectural marvels. Let's embark on a journey through time and discover the top 12 history and architectural wonders of Argentina. Stories and examples. 1. The Indigenous Legacy. Argentina's history dates back thousands of years, with indigenous civilizations leaving their mark on the land. The ruins of Quilmes, located in the northwestern province of Tucumán, are remnants of an ancient indigenous settlement. The site reveals the architectural techniques and lifestyle of the Quilmes people, who resisted colonization for centuries. 2. Colonial Splendor, Jesuit Missions. The Jesuit missions, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are scattered across northeastern Argentina and showcase the architectural and cultural legacy of the Jesuit order. Ruins such as San Ignacio Mini and Santa Ana stand as testaments to the grandeur of the missions and their role in spreading Christianity during the colonial era. 3. Casa Rosada, the Pink Presidential Palace. Located in Buenos Aires, Casa Rosada is the iconic presidential palace of Argentina. Its distinctive pink color and neoclassical design make it a prominent symbol of the country. Evita Perón famously addressed the people from its balcony, and today it houses the presidential offices and a museum. 4. Teatro Colón, a cultural gem. Teatro Colón, one of the world's most prestigious opera houses, stands as a testament to Argentina's cultural heritage. Located in Buenos Aires, this architectural masterpiece showcases stunning Art Nouveau and neoclassical elements. Its exquisite interiors and flawless acoustics have attracted renowned performers from around the globe. 5. Bariloche's Swiss influence. The city of Bariloche, nestled in the Andes Mountains in the province of Rio Negro, reflects the Swiss influence that dates back to the early 20th century. Chalet-style architecture, wooden houses, and chocolate shops evoke an alpine atmosphere that is unique to Argentina. 6. The Manzana de las Luces. In the heart of Buenos Aires lies the Manzana de las Luces, an architectural complex that preserves the city's colonial past. It comprises various buildings, including the Church of San Ignacio and the Colegio Nacional Buenos Aires. This historic site served as a hub for intellectuals and revolutionaries during the country's struggle for independence. 7. Córdoba's Jesuit Block. The Jesuit Block in Córdoba is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the architectural legacy of the Jesuits in the 17th century. The complex includes the University of Córdoba, the Montserrat School, and the Church of the Society of Jesus, which exemplify the colonial Baroque style. 8. Recoleta Cemetery. Recoleta Cemetery, located in Buenos Aires, is not only a resting place but also an outdoor museum of art and architecture. It is famous for its elaborate mausoleums and tombs, including the iconic grave of Eva Perón. Exploring the cemetery is like delving into the stories of Argentina's most prominent figures. 9. The National Congress. The National Congress, situated in Buenos Aires, is a striking example of Argentina's political and architectural heritage. Its neoclassical design, adorned with Corinthian columns and intricate sculptures, houses the country's legislative power and serves as a symbol of democracy. 10. La Bombonera, home of Boca Juniors. La Bombón Era, the stadium of the Boca Juniors football club in Buenos Aires, is an architectural marvel that encapsulates Argentina's passion for the sport. Its unique shape and vibrant atmosphere make it an essential pilgrimage site for football enthusiasts. 11. El Ateneo Gran Splendid. El Ateneo Gran Splendid, located in Buenos Aires, is a former theater transformed into a stunning bookstore. Its architectural beauty, with its ornate ceilings, balconies, and stage, creates a captivating atmosphere for book lovers to indulge in literature. 12. The Monument to the Flag. In Rosario, a city in the province of Santa Fe, stands the Monument to the Flag, a symbol of national pride. This towering structure honors the creation of the Argentine flag by General Manuel Belgrano and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Paraná River. Summarization. Argentina's history and architecture are a testament to the country's rich cultural tapestry. From ancient indigenous civilizations to colonial influences and modern innovations, each era has left its mark on Argentina's landscape. The stories and examples we've explored highlight the diverse range of historical and architectural wonders that await visitors to this captivating country. Poem. In Argentina's vibrant land, history and architecture hand in hand. From indigenous ruins to colonial pride, legends and tales, forever they reside. The Pink Palace, Casa Rosada's grace, where Evita's words once embraced. Teatro Colón's enchanting tune, a cultural gem beneath the moon. Swiss chalets in Bariloche stand tall, echoing memories from a distant call. Manzana de las Luces, a beacon of the past, where revolutionaries' dreams were cast. Córdoba's Jesuit block, a sacred place. A Baroque symphony, architectural grace. Recoleta Cemetery's solemn art. Legends rest in each tomb's heart. The National Congress, democracy's shrine, where laws and debates intertwine. La Bombonera roars with passion untamed. Football's fervor forever inflamed. El Ateneo Gran Splendid, a bibliophile's delight, where words take flight, day and night. Monument to the flag, soaring high. Belgrano's legacy against the sky. Argentina's history, architecture's embrace. A tapestry woven with elegance and grace. Explore its wonders, let your spirit ignite. In this land where past and present unite. Song. Verse 1. In Argentina's story, echoes of the past. Architecture standing strong, memories that will last. From ancient ruins to palaces grand. A symphony of history, eternally we stand. Chorus. Oh, Argentina, land of tales untold, where history and architecture unfold. From Casa Rosada to Recoleta's grace. In every corner, a new story we embrace. Verse 2. Teatro Colón, where dreams take flight. The stage is set, under the shimmering light. Swiss chalets in Bariloche, a picturesque view. A touch of alpine magic, Argentina's love shines through. Chorus. Oh, Argentina, land of tales untold, where history and architecture unfold. From Casa Rosada to Recoleta's grace. In every corner, a new story we embrace. Bridge. The Jesuit block in Córdoba, a timeless treasure. Colonial Baroque whispers, a moment to measure. La Bombonera's roar, passion in the air. Football's heartbeat, a nation's love affair. Chorus. Oh, Argentina, land of tales untold, where history and architecture unfold. From Casa Rosada to Recoleta's grace. In every corner, a new story we embrace. Outro. Explore Argentina's wonders, let your spirit roam. History and architecture, a traveler's heart finds home. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.